Okay, good afternoon, class. So at this point we're looking at November 2020. We're busy with November 2020 paper 2. No? Right. So we got up until question 5.2.3. Right. So the question says a yellow and blue marble in any order. Yellow and a blue. So yellow and blue is that one there and that one. Not so? So the probability of yellow and blue plus the probability of blue and yellow. That would be 3 over 8 times 5 over 8 plus 5 over 8 times 3 over 8. That gives us 3 over 8 times 5 over 8 times 2, or we have said plus that thing. It's going to be 15 over 32. Right, you guys understand? Any confusion there? No? Alright, let's carry on. Question 6. The length of the hypotenuse of a right angle isosceles triangle is m. Okay? So we got a right angle isosceles triangle is m. The length of the hypotenuse of a right angle isosceles triangle is m. What is the area of the triangle in terms of m? So how do you calculate the area of the triangle? Area is going to be a half base times perpendicular height. Not so. So that is my base and that's my height of the same length. Not so. So let's call that x for now. Okay. So if that is x, then what would this be? Also x. No? You guys have many x's in this diagram. Right. So let's now get the length of the two sides in terms of m. Okay. So how do we do that? By using Pythagoras. Okay, Pythagoras. So let's use Pythagoras. So m squared is equal to x squared plus x squared. Reason? Pythagoras. Yes. So in other words, we got 2x squared is equal to m squared. What do I want as a subject of the formula? X. Okay. So what do? I divide both sides by 2. So that cancels. So x squared is equal to m squared over 2. Now how do I get rid of the square? I square root both sides. So I got x is equal to the square root of m squared over. Can you see what x is now? So what do I now say? Therefore the area is going to be half times the base, which is the square root of m squared over 2, times, and what is the height? Same, the square root of m squared over 2. So what is the square root of 2 times the square root of 2? Square root of 4, which is 2. What's the square root of 3 times the square root of 3? 3. What's the square root of x times the square root of x? X. So what's the square root of m squared over 2 times the square root of m squared over 2? It will be m squared over 2, which is the same as m squared over. Nice question, eh? Nice. Yes, Lisa, you were awake today. I'm glad.
So it's trying to write a quarter m squared.
Yes. She's saying, can you write it like this? Yes, you can.
Thank you, sir.
Well done, Mr. Kanya. You got it right. Yes. Yeah, girl. You see what that little sleep does for you in the maths class? Get the top sum right. It's a joke that now the rest of you now sleep. Right, here we go. Now we are told below are three straight lines that forms a triangle. Three straight lines that forms a triangle. Okay. That is 6.2. Now I'm going to put this 6.2. He says calculate the area of this triangle. So, firstly, y is equal to 0. That is what your x-axis, not so. This was your x-axis. Also, your y is equal to 0 line. This is your y-axis, which also x is equal to 0. So the equation of your x-axis is y is equal to 0. And your equation of your y-axis is x is equal to 0. Okay. Now, that y is equal to 0 is this line. Okay. Then, we're looking at this here. Y minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you work out our y-intercept. What do you do for y-intercept? Let x equal to 0. So y minus 4 times 0 minus 4 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4. There's 4. No? This was your y-axis. Then, x-intercept. What do you do for x-intercept? Let y equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0 minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. If I draw that graph, that is that graph. Okay. Then, the next one, what do we do for y-intercept? Let x equal to 0. So on this equation here now, so y is equal to negative 2 times 0 plus 4, which is 4, which is exactly this point. Then we got x-intercept. What do you do for x-intercept? Let y equal to 0. So 0 is equal to negative 2x plus 4. So 2x is equal to 4, so x equal to 2. Okay. But what's the question? The question says, calculate the area of the triangle formed. So it's in other words, that is the area I'm calculating. Not so? So how do you calculate the area of triangle? Of base times perpendicular. So area of base times perpendicular. You go half. Now the base is going to be from negative 1 to 2. How many units is that? 3 units. Can you all see that? 3 units here. And your perpendicular height is going to be from 4 to the origin, which is 4. So it's going to be half my base. 3 times the height is 4. So it's going to be 12 times 4 is 6. Sheesh. Something wrong with that, you say? Yeah. Nice! Right, let's carry on with our lives. People in 6.3. You guys taking note what's happening? In 6.3, the triangle below BE is equal to ED. So if B is equal to ED, what do we know? So isosceles here, and big D is what? Angle D? X? No. The same as? 39. Sounds like some of you didn't even read this at home yet. For those of you saying 35. Okay. So that is 39 degrees. Okay. Then it says, determine with reason the size of x. This is now 6.3. Which is 6.3. So you see where your x is lying? On top. Okay. So what can be calculated at this point? We said D, not so. So D is going to be 39. Why is angle D 39? Isosceles. Who taught you that Mickey Mouse stuff? Given. Angles, yes. Opposite. Equal sign. Now you see. Now when some of you go elsewhere for help and whatever, and then people say, now who tell you must write isosceles? Teacher. No?
Yes.
But you guys do your own stuff. You never write isosceles sign. It's like a swear word first. No? So what do we write? 1 of 2. Angles opposite equal sides or? Sides opposite equal. In this case, it's going to be angles opposite equal sides. Yes. Now what? Stuck? No. 90 degrees is equal to x plus 39. Why? Here. 39 plus x. Why? Exterior angle of triangle. And it's triangle CBD. Now what? So for x, 90 minus 39, which is 50? 1. Proud moments. Who did your homework for you? Did it herself? Nice! I'm glad. Alright people, that brings us to the end of this paper. Okay. So which means to say must choose a new paper now. Yes. Let's just first stop this video.